back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We are putting on my makeup today. It's my everyday makeup kind of routine. It usually takes me like 10 minutes or less with me talking and like describing everything. Might take a little longer, but let's see. Let's get started. I'm trying to like get in the right frame here. Okay, first off, I've already put this on. It's the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Whoa Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 30 and Makeup Primer. And it just gives you like this nice little glow, but it also protects you from the sun. And yeah, it's good stuff. So next I'm going to use also e.l.f. the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. And it's a glow booster for radiant skin. And I just really like to be glowy. And I have a mirror over here, so I'm gonna be looking over here and I just kind of dot it all over. Then I use a sponge for my makeup stuff. I sometimes I'll use like this kabuki kind of brush for like the fine lines and everything to kind of like buff stuff out. But usually I will use a sponge. So there we go, we're sponging away. I'm getting ready to do a couple videos. So it's like 6 o'clock, not in the morning. I don't ever get up at 6 in the morning if I can help it. So yeah, it just kind of adds like a little extra glow under your foundation. I've really been liking it. When I first bought it, I thought it was a foundation, and I was like, why does it have this doe foot applicator? Oh, I see, I'm just like going for it. Next I use the number 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum Foundation, and this also has sunscreen in it, SPF 15, and this is in the shade Warm Beige for summer. I was using during the winter the Cool Vanilla shade, but this is, I really liked this foundation. I think it's a little more expensive than like your average foundation, I can't remember. I will try to link things down below. I just buy this at Target. So most things, I think all of my, you like that sound? I think everything I use is from like drugstore. Well, the eyeshadow sticks I use are not, they're online, and they're from Thrive Causemetics, because I freaking love eyeshadow sticks, okay? They are the thing to do and to have in the morning when you are getting ready for work. I just love it. So yeah, I really don't have any rhyme or reason for my foundation. I get like dry skin, like around my nose area, so I kind of buff that away. Look at my red cheeks. Yeah, so it just kind of goes on really nice. And I feel like I have dark circles, you know, Uncle Fester style, Addams Family. So I have been trying, just in the last few weeks, the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer. And it's kind of like a peachy tone. So I'm getting like closer. So it just kind of, I think, cancels it out a little bit. I can kind of already tell. And I'll put it even here too, because like, I feel like you can really see my veins right there. And it just kind of helps. And then I just blend that in too. And it's like really creamy. And I don't really have any like rhyme or reason of what side of the sponge beauty blender I use. So yeah, how y'all doing? So I think it kind of helps a little bit. Time will tell. And then I already got everything out. I'm like looking in my drawer for my products. And I use, does anybody watch Jessica Braun on YouTube? She's like, I love her. She's like the best makeup review video person. This is Catrice and you get it on Amazon. And it's the True Skin High Cover Concealer, Hyaluronic Acid, and is supposedly waterproof, 18-hour hydrating. And this is in the shade Neutral Ivory, which I think is a little bit light for me for the summertime. I just kind of do just a little bit. Because, you know, I'm 35 and I have fine lines and wrinkles And I don't, see, do you see how light that is? But I mean, I guess you kind of want it to be brightening. I just kind of tap it in. Some of you have said you wanted me to do this, so this is for you. I did do a another everyday makeup routine, but I think that was probably like 2 years ago. But honestly, it hasn't changed. It really hasn't changed much. Some of the products might have changed a little bit, but I'm pretty predictable. And this is every day. Every day. So it's been about 5 minutes so far. We're gonna kick it into overdrive. And then next, I do the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Bronze It Sunkissed Bronzer for face and body, and it is in the shade Light number 1. And I just have like just an angled blush brush. I don't know what brand they are. And I just kind of go in at the side there. Especially in the summertime. I don't know how much, I've really just started using the bronzer more this spring, summer, so I don't know how much I'll use it in the winter, but I'll kind of put it there and then along my jawline. So just to give a little whoop, whoop, definition, kind of. Here we go. And what else? What else do I use? And then I do some blush. I usually do my whole kind of face first before I do my eyes because my eyes are so easy. This I got in a Ipsy subscription, and it is Half Caked Double Dipper Color Duo in Girls Tour. So I don't know where you would get that, but it looks really pink. Hey, there's my camera. Hi guys, you're stacked on some books. Did anybody see the Barbie movie? This like pink Barbie. I went and saw it with my friend Lisa last weekend, and I've really liked it. Not only was, you know, Ryan Gosling like perfect Ken eye candy, but it just was really good. Good message in it, I thought. I really liked it. I recommend it. Yeah, this is kind of, I'm like looking in the viewfinder on the camera instead of my mirror. It looks very different in the viewfinder. It does not look this pink in just my mirror. So, whatever. It's fine. I just kind of brush it all on there. Woo! Next. And then I will sometimes like take my blender and just kind of blend it in a little bit. Then I use a lot of L'Oreal. Well, I guess that's only 2 things. L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. And I've been using this stuff for a really long time. And it's really nice. Like, you can even put this all over your face under your foundation for a nice glow. You just do a little bit. And just put it the high points there. Boop, boop, boop. And I just blend it in with my finger. Hear that? Hear how roughly I pat my face? The e.l.f. Woe Glow sunscreen primer, sometimes I'll just wear that on its own with like no foundation or anything. Usually I'll put like some concealer on with it, and it's just really pretty. It's just like, go out and run errands, put that on, and it's great. Okay, next, see, I'm just going on about my routine. Next I have the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is in the shade Stella, and this I use for underneath my brows. So we'll do that. What's your guys' makeup routine? Do you do like a full face of makeup every day, or do you just kind of like bareface it? I hardly ever bareface it. No, I can't tell you the last time I didn't have something on my face. Maybe when I was like 14, I don't know. And then I use the same thing, but it's in the shade Pilly, and it's kind of just like a golden kind of, you know, shade. I think it's really nice for summer. I just go all over my lid. This is like the easiest eyeshadow routine look. Get out the door. kind of thing. So there's one eye. It's just really nice and light. I will do underneath too. See, my problem is because, okay, I need glasses, right? To see, like, it's a little blurry. So when I'm doing my makeup, I like raise my eyes up like this because I don't know. Do I feel like it helps me see better? I don't know. But then my makeup kind of sinks into my lines and wrinkles and it bugs me. Has anybody ever done cosmetic, like Botox or anything for their wrinkles? No bad comments. Like, I know Botox is, it's essentially like a poison, right? I don't know. I have to research it. But has anybody ever done that? Did they have good experience, bad experience? Be nice in the comments. Don't judge people that get it. I've never had it, but you know, a girl wonders. Don't tell me I don't need it or anything. I know I don't need it, you know, it's totally fine. But, well, you know. So, okay, so there's my eyes, my eyeshadow. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And sometimes I will do, which I think I'm gonna do today, I'll do a liner. I'll attempt to do it while I'm filming, but it might be too nerve-wracking. So I just got this online on Amazon. I really like the Lottie London eyeliner though, but I think I like the Lottie London Wing Woman one, but mine's dried out. So I just got this one off Amazon, and it's dual-ended. It has this stamp on the other side, but I don't really have good luck with stamps. I got it just to try it, but let's see. Okay, I got them on. They're sisters, not twins, as you know, some people say. And we're gonna do our eyebrows. And this is my tried and true. I love it. I don't think I'll ever use anything different. It is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara in the color Deep Brown. And it has, let's see if you can see. It's like long bristles on one end and then short bristles on the other. I just use the long bristles all the time. And you just comb it in and it's great. And I love it and it's nice. So yeah, same thing with the eyebrows though. They're sisters, not twins. My battery's about to die. We'll try to get this done here. There we go. And then last but not least is mascara. And I just recently tried the Essence Lash Princess because everyone loves it. I do think it looks really nice, but it does transfer, I feel like. So you kind of gotta watch yourself throughout the day. So that's been my experience with it. Now if you put it just on your upper lids, I don't feel like it transfers really, but I like to do up and down. For some reason this side's like clumping, but look. I feel like it's really nice. Gives good definition. And then last but not least, we do a lipstick. And this is my also tried and true. It is the Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put that on. My camera battery's about to die, so hold tight. I'm gonna try to put it on without it dying. They also have a matte version, This is the glossy version. You do have to shake it to kind of mix up like the gloss and the color inside. I always feel like I'm shaking an inhaler when I do that. And then you kind of have to not talk after you put it on because it'll get on your teeth. You can wipe it off, but this is the color Red Hot 25. Tried and true. I have it in like 8 colors. So yeah. And then we use whatever spray Ipsy sends me. Because I do the Ipsy boxes, and this is just a setting spray. And it's kind of glowy and dewy and whatnot. So yeah, that is my everyday kind of makeup. The lipstick varies, but like everything else does not. So next we're going to do my hair. So stay tuned for that video on how I do my hair daily, usually. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll try to link the products down below if I can. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you like it. You guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.